thought you guys were already here because I was looking for you. I was looking for you guys.
How you doing?
Looks like the band is just almost geared up and everything.
I think we're ready to go.
All right, we waiting on you.
You're waiting on.
Yeah.
Thank you.
All right, enjoy yourselves.
All right.
1, 2, 3. Do you remember the 21st night, September? Love was changing our minds, pretender. What changed in the God's way? I could be in the key that our souls were singing as we danced in the night. Remember how this was for the night. Only blue talking love in the phone. How we knew love was here to stay. Oh wow. On December, Father love was shared September. Only blue talking love in the love. The true love we share today. Oh wow. So that you remember.
Well, the live music band is just getting started. This is the 4th of July Front Row Fireworks event here in Riverside at the Evergreen Cemetery. And as you can see, people are starting to gather around and get ready for the big fireworks show that's going to take place tonight. There'll be hundreds of people here today, or perhaps even more. But if you're not doing anything, come on down and check it out, man. Live music, all kind of fun and festivities for the kids, face painting and everything else. Big Mama's Hot Dogs is here. You can get your hot dog. And by the way, we're going to be celebrating the kickoff of July, which is National Hot Dog Month. Tomorrow, Friday, July the 5th, we'll be at Elder and Arrow in Fontana giving away hot dogs free, no strings attached. So if you're not doing anything, come over there. If you can't make it over here, try one of our hot dogs for free and let us know what you think about them. All right? Bye.